What's up guys, Mike from Soundoftristate, Folsom, Pennsylvania. Just wanted to show you this really cool project we wrapped up. This is a 2015 Honda scooter. Client came to us looking for an upgrade from what he had as far as sound goes. Originally he had a portable Bluetooth speaker that was mounted on the handlebars. It wasn't quite loud enough for him, so what we were able to do is install 4 speakers total along with a radio. So the speakers are Rockin 5 gauge. You can see the one on the fairing, we have one on the other side, and then we actually have 2 underneath the tail of the bike. Lastly, we did a Kenwood radio which has AM/FM and Bluetooth. It also has a USB on the face that's mounted underneath the seat. So just wanted to show you this. This is not probably about halfway right now the volume. Just didn't want to go too crazy so you guys could hear me speak. So I'll walk up to the bike, I'll show you the radio, and see you guys.
69, and still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the night.
Any weird project like this, of course we're really known for doing Harley audio, but as you can see, scooters we can handle, slingshots, side by side, any kind of power sport, we can handle it. So if you need anything, give me a call, 610-328-0301.